How to add a picture after posting on Instagram. Easy workaround 2026. Forgot to add another photo to your Instagram post? Don't worry, there's a simple workaround that lets you fix it without permanently deleting your post. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Open Instagram profile. Open the Instagram app. Tap your profile icon to see your posts. Select the post where you want to add another picture. If the post already has only one image, Instagram doesn't allow adding new photos directly, but there's an easy solution. Step 2. Archive the post instead of deleting. Open the post, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, tap Archive. This will hide the post from your profile without deleting it, so your content stays safe. Step 3. Re-upload with multiple photos. Go back to your profile, tap the plus icon to create a new post, select 2 or more photos, including the original one, tap Next, apply edits if needed, then tap Share. Now your post will appear as a carousel post with multiple images. Important tip: Instagram currently does not allow adding new photos to an already published post. Archiving and reposting with multiple images is the best and safest method. Bonus tip: most people miss. Before archiving, copy your caption and hashtags so you can reuse them when reposting. And that's it. That's the easiest way to add another picture after posting on Instagram.